Hey y'all. Never noticed, but I'm feeling a little bit lonely. So I think today I'm gonna go to the adoption center. Cause I just kind of feel sad that I don't really have anyone to hang out with. And that's why I'm gonna go to the adoption center. And there. Oh, she's so cute. Her name's Stacy. Oh. So, okay, I think I'm gonna adopt her. So, I pick you. Yay! Okay, now I have a kid. So, you can talk. Do I need to teach you how to talk and go, do I need to teach you how to do that? Or do you already know how to talk and stuff? Bleh. She says bleh. Okay, hold on a second. Okay, I think I'm gonna adopt you. So come on, let's go. Whoa, where did you get that thing? I want one. Oh, wait, oh yeah, I'm gonna go get one of those. I want one, that's not fair. You're only you're only 2 years old and you got a gravity coil. This is a rich baby over here. This thing is like $100. There we go. I didn't even get out the door because I jumped so high. Blah. Whee! Ooh, there's some. Okay, let's go to the house. You better not get in this fountain. I've had experiences with little kids, and get out of the fountain. I'm gonna have to go home and give you a bath. Get out of there. Okay, here, come on, let's go home, and I'm gonna teach you how to talk, okay? Come on, let's go home. Let's go home. I'm gonna teach you how to talk. Too bad, I don't got no money. I'm broke because I bought a $500 house, and I got a gravity coil.
Wait, where's home? I'm just going home. To a house.
Okay, come on.
Going to a
Stacy? Stacy? Hey,
Yeah?
I'm gonna take you, well, you're gonna get, come on, come here. Hey, Kate, hey, quit running off. Come here. I need to tell you something. Okay.
What?
So, tonight, you're gonna have a babysitter. Well, a babysitter is when mommy goes out and has a good time, and you have a good time, and I get to hire somebody, and I have to pay somebody to watch you. And they're gonna hang out with you and play with you with your toys and stuff, and have fun. Hey, why are you over there? Come on, this is our house. House is over here. Home is over here. That's the daycare. Would you rather me take you to the daycare, or do you want a babysitter at our house?
Babysitter.
Babysitter? Okay, I'm gonna unlock our doors.
Yay, I'm on top of the house.
Okay, I guess you know I'm gonna lock you in.
I'm on top of the house.
Okay, come on. Get inside.
On top of a tree.
Okay. Good job. Get inside the house. You're not gonna get no nice relaxing bath because you're all soaking wet. Seriously? Okay, come on. I'm up. Come on. Okay. I think that's okay. This is where you're gonna take a shower. Okay. So, shower is where you just stand underwater. Does that feel good?
What shower?
You're doing a shower right now. That's a shower. Do you know what this thing is right here? Do you know what that is?
Toilet.
No, what's a toilet? That's a toilet. You know what you do with the toilet? Do you know what you do with the toilet, Stacy? Tags. Do you know what you do with the toilet? Come on. What? Never mind. toilet? You poop in a toilet. You use the restroom in a toilet. You probably never used a toilet before because you don't. Tags. Okay. No. What do you mean, no? You have to poop. Everybody has to poop. You poop in your pants. You just never notice. Nobody cleans you up. Tags. Okay, come on. I'm going to show you. Come on. I'm going to show you your bedroom. Come out here. Stacy! Sorry, I don't mean to yell, but okay. I want you to stay here, and I'm gonna go get you a babysitter, okay? And
Yeah.
you can't come with me. You have to stay here.
Yeah.
You have to stay here. Okay? You have to stay here, and I'm gonna go get you a babysitter. And stop saying tags. So, you want to come with me? You want to come? Okay, come on, let's go. We can, I guess. Okay, let's go. Okay, first I'm gonna paint our house green. I just painted our whole house in 2 seconds, so. You're lucky you have a mom like me. Come on, let's go. Let's go find a babysitter, because it's about time for me to go to the club and party. You're hungry? Here, let's go to the restaurant first, okay? Let's go. Whee! Okay, come on, let's go eat some food. You're probably pretty hungry. You haven't had any food. Do they feed you a lot? Do they feed you at the? Where'd you go? Why are you over there? Restaurant's this way. No. What do you mean? No, you can't go to no club. I'm not letting you go to no club. 21 people. Hey, get back here. Get back here. I'm about to call the cops on you. Because you can't. Babies. I already see you. Seriously, dude. You're right there. Come on, get out. We're gonna go find you a babysitter, okay? Come on, let's go. No, you're gonna get a babysitter. There's nobody working here right now. Okay? No. We have to go get. You have a giant teddy bear in your room. Come on, let's go. You can stay. You want to stay here while I go find you a babysitter? And have fun with the big teddy bear?
No.
Okay, come on. You have to stay. What? You have. Oh. Okay. I thought you wanted. Okay, whatever. Restaurant's right over there. If you don't. Restaurant. Westawant. Okay, come on. Let's go to Westawant. I'm walking on top of it. Right here. Okay, come on. Let's get some food.
Let me pay my own food.
Oh. Okay, cool. You have money? Oh, yeah, you're a rich baby. That's right. What should I get? I'll take some pizza. I'll get some pizza and a cola. There we go. Yum. Let's sit right here at this one.
I already ate my food.
Seriously?
Yeah. I'm still hungry.
Seriously? Okay.
Eat something.
No. Oh. Whatever. Okay. No, we have to go get you a babysitter. It's almost morning, and I haven't got to go to the club yet. Come on, we have to go. You can. No, you can't go to school. You're a baby. You're 2 years old.
I'm here.
That's 5th grade.
I'm in science class.
Why did I decide to adopt you? I have no idea. You're crazy. Well, I'm gonna go find you a babysitter. I'm gonna go find you a babysitter. Cause you just getting on my nerves.
Ooh, I'm going in a blue thing with no dress, like the pink one.
Oh,
And it's a door.
a door? Here, I'm gonna go find your babysitter.
It's a door with a
Hey,
light on it.
okay, I think I found.
With a button on it. I'm gonna go in the west side.
Okay, there we go. Hey, Ann, wanna be a babysitter for tonight? Think I just found you a babysitter. Maybe. Please say yes. Please say yes. Please say yes. Please say yes. She's not listening to me. Yay! She's gonna be your babysitter. There we go.
Well,
She's crazy.
I'm coming.
She's crazy. Whoa. Hey. Wait, what? No. Good. Crazy. This is Stacy. Stacy, this is gonna be your babysitter. This is your
Why?
because I want to go to the club. This is your babysitter.
Go to the club.
What? No, she can't go with me, with you. It's already morning. Seriously? You wasted all of this time. You could have gotten a babysitter and had so much fun. It's already morning. Never mind. She doesn't need you. What? Sorry. She wasted my time. It's morning. Sorry, she wasted my time. So sorry. Tonight, she's gonna babysit you tonight, okay? So I can go to the club and have fun, okay?
No.
Yes. No. Tonight. She's gonna be your babysitter. No complaints. No complaints, Stacy. No complaints. Stop. Don't listen to her. She is lying. She is a big fat liar. She is lying. Don't listen to her. Okay? Okay. Tags. Okay.